Corners Marina. Anyway, I got Frank dumped out over here. I'm gonna go meet him over here at the dock and jump in with him and take a spin. It's a pretty cool little marina. They've really grown. We added all these docks over here. You know, houseboats and slips. A little walkway over here. And then, like, you know, they got all kinds of slips over there. They've even got them really big out that way. And they built a big RV park over here. They're breaking ground for even some more. It's way over there. You know, I live a mile from this place, and I talked to one lady over here one time, and I don't know anybody over here, but they got a restaurant down here, boat club. So I don't know, that's Hurricane Creek over on the other side, or that's Hurricane Creek. It's back behind here, and Percy Priest, you know, it's back up that way. Yeah, I got bands over here in the summertime, and they're rocking it. Bar. It's like a full service restaurant. I've never even eaten at it. Four Corners Yacht Club. Yeah, here's the restaurant. Big Phil Island out here. Yeah, here he comes. Doing pretty good. Jump in if I can get through there. I ain't worried about that.
Just pull it over.
Oh.
All the fish are underneath us.
Yeah. Yeah, the whole tribe's rode pretty good. Still a little tight on that shit. Oh yeah, it'll take us a minute to get out of the... We were so close that day, we were so close. But that hooked us up, you know.
That was...
If I would have figured it, even if I'd figured that out though, I would have known that the cards were not all the way shut, you know. But we were really close.
Up on that.
Just watch because it is in no way. But yeah, you're fine. You can go that fast.
This is how fast I have to drive on the lake I fish. A lot. The most.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's a no-wake lake. So I just putt up the fuck. I go probably from here to those trees up there, and the river starts. And then you start winding back through the river, and the river, its spots ain't much more than 30, 40 feet across.
Them boys over there fishing that dock pylons. I always see fish there, but I hadn't had any luck. Maybe they know something I don't know. Did a little jig spinning or something. Just kind of stay over here a little bit. The water down, that's kind of shallow right in there, you know.
Yeah, that looks like a tear your boat up.
Oh yeah, this whole lake is so much rock. Yeah, they're vertical fishing wherever they're doing. That's Hobson Bridge right up there. Dropping spades, that's what they're doing. This is the end of my no way. You can head that way. Yeah, you're gonna go between the islands. And there is one little area in that between, but I'll show you where it is. See, like there's your crane. And the channel's up that way. So it kind of goes up through those islands. Is that a little more than that? get more speed with that.